Hi, good afternoon, my subscriber, likers, and viewers. I just want to give you an update regarding my backyard gardening. Today is Monday, 10th of February 2020, and the time is 3:20 p.m. So now this is my pechay. It's growing beautifully. My last update is on 24th of December. I just planted this bok choy or pechay on that date, as well as this eggplant or talong, and how it is now. So they start having flowers and soon having fruits. And I have here kangkong or watercress. It's growing beautifully as well. And here my other succulent, a cactus, and some pechay, and money tree, and this is my celery. I just bought a bunch of celery and then I cut the bottom one and soak it in the water, and now having flowers. And this bok choy or pecha is eaten by slugs, so I put pellets around it to protect the leaves. And here's my lemon. Now before it's leaves yellow, it turns yellow, pero ngayon ay green na. Katulad din itong pechay, marami siyang kagat ng slugs, but this one is okay. But this another type of plants, I forgot how they call it. And this is my mint. I have to transfer it when some other plant box ready. And now here's my other tomato. Yeah, they have fruits. Yeah, it is a big one. Dahil nakapag-spread ang kanyang mga ugat. Yan ang advantage ng malaki ang kanyang kinalalagyan. So ito yung ibang aking talong, at nagbubulaklak na rin siya. Yan. And here's my hanging plant. It's growing. Here's another talong. That one. And before this one's dying. This one's dying, but because of continuous watering, now it's blooming again. And this one still having a violet flower. And now here's my other plants. So now I have my tomato. I planted this on 24th of December. The only reason why there's no much leaves, because there's no nutrients enough to support the leaves. That's why it's dying, because we just have small area for the roots to expand. So that's the disadvantage of having a small pot, pot for the plants. Kaya next time, kailangan malaki ang aking paso para makapag-expand ng kanyang roots, and then it will produce more fruits. And here's my sitaw. So soon they will be having fruits or bunga. So here's another tomato. So this one just start having flowers, the same as this one. So yeah, this is growing beautifully. So there are some bugs in it. I don't know how to eradicate those bugs. Yeah, there's another bugs there. They're eating the leaves. So it's dying. I have to go to the shop or Bunnings to buy some something to kill them. Yeah, there's a lot. There's another bugs there. There's another bugs there. White flies. I think there's white flies. They call it white flies. So I have to buy something to eradicate them. But it looks beautifully. Yeah, they are growing. And here's some of my talong or eggplants. Yeah. And there's some more bok choy or pechay. And we're going to another side of my tomato or kamatis backyard. Ang last na tanim ko dito rin ay 24 ng December. Now it looks okay. So they have fruits. At yung iba ay hinog na. Malapit na silang mapitas. This one's okay. It's quite big. Yeah. Yeah. This one's quite bigger than other. Yeah. And this one still not ripe. Yeah. This one is already ripe, ready to pick up or ready for salad. Yeah. Ang disadvantage ng nasa ganitong lagyan, yung kanyang mga dahon hindi gaano makapag-expand, namamatay siya. Kaya nakikita nyo kunti lang ang dahon dahil yung kanyang roots hindi gaano makapag-expand. At saka isa pa, sa summer mainit ang pinaka casing o yung bottle. Kaya kumbaga parang mabilis siyang ma-dehydrate. So kaya nakikita ninyo yung iba ay nalalanta. There are no enough nutrients na napoproduce dahil kunti lang ang kanyang area na expansion ng ugat. Despite na meron siya mga fertilizer na nilagay ko, makikita niyo yung mga mga white seeds na yun. Yun yung mga fertilizer, but still not good enough. Kaya next time, next year, next summer, so I'll change my method of planting tomato. So I'll make like a base here. Lagay ko ng base dito para sa mga tomato o kamatis na paso. Okay, mga subscribers, hope you like my short video about my kamatis o tomatoes backyard gardening. Thank you so much, and have a good day and be safe, and bye for now.